I was listening to a podcast by a guy called Ivan Balabanov. If you don't know who he is, he's two-time IGP world champion, and he's really, really intelligent, got lots of knowledge about dogs, and he did a podcast with a force-free lady, and he was talking to her about the welfare of dogs and the happiness, and this lady was maintaining that dogs should have choice, and you should do what makes them happy. Well, that got me thinking while I was walking down the canal, and I want you guys to have a little think about this as well, as to what your dog would be happiest doing. Now, my American Bulldog, she's dominant, she's horrible, she's lovely, but she's horrible, and she loves nothing more than to dominate dogs. And some big male dogs will take a kicking from her and they don't mind it, but that's her happy place. Is she'll want nothing more than for me to let her off lead in the park and her to charge over and dominate all the biggest, meanest dogs in there. Little dogs she's not as bothered about because they're no challenge. But that's her happy place. That's what she wants to do more than anything. And even if I do protection work with her and fight her and let me dominate me and let her win a little bit, it still doesn't compare to what the enjoyment would be if I let her go and dominate a load of dogs. So I guess have a think about how much your dog's happiness matters to you. Possibly compare it to a child's happiness, in that you could give it loads of sweets and chocolate, let it stay up late, let it do whatever it wanted, and it'd be super happy. But it's not a healthy thing for your child. They need boundaries, they need restrictions, because you know better than them, and you can protect their health. It's the same with dogs. I'm not going to let Lola go and dominate every dog in the park. She has to behave herself, and then she can have more freedom. It's going to keep her healthy. It's going to keep the dogs in the park healthy. So yeah, just have a think about what your dog really wants to do, and whether your dog's happiness is more important, or if keeping your dog safe and healthy is more important. Let me know what you think.